Hey, Mia, do you want to go check out the pet store? Sure. I'd love to. Alright then, let's go in. Hello. What are the best cats and dogs, please? Right over there. Let's go see them, Mia. Okay. Aw, they're so cute. He's so lovable. I'm totally getting him. Uh-huh. Mhm. Uh-huh. Whoop, whoop. I'm getting this little guy. He's so cute. Here's a basket. Where's here? Okay, both dogs will be $50. Here you go. Next in line, please. Bye. Let's go.